Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you another best faucet website. You can claim your free faucet from that website. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, this is the website. This website pay you every 5 minutes and up to this much satoshi. Okay, 100 satoshi. Just put your Faucetpay wallet address and click start claiming. Okay, and after that you're logging with this email this Faucetpay Bitcoin wallet address and just click claiming. And this is enter the sum of the below number. Okay, just enter the sum of these. This one is the 30. Just click send, and congratulations, you got 2 BTC and just sum of these and 2. Just click send. You can see warning, are you a human? This is the first time to access. Okay, just click continue. Okay, and complete capture and get your satoshi. Right now you will be get your satoshi. Okay, this is the easy way, and up to 100 satoshi this website pay you. Right now I earn 2 satoshi. Next time maybe I earn 50 or 60 satoshi. This website pay you instantly in your Faucetpay directly. You can see this website pay me 2 satoshi directly to Faucetpay. Okay guys, this website link available in description. Click the link and come here. Just put your wallet address, and after clicking this website pay you instantly in your Faucetpay. Thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. All my videos is real website and real earning websites. Okay, bye bye for now.